Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something super exciting happening in Africa, food production. When you think of Africa, you might not immediately think about innovative food manufacturing, but trust me, that's about to change. Africa is experiencing a food revolution and it's transforming the continent's economy. Did you know that agriculture accounts for more than 60% of jobs in Africa? But it's not just about farming anymore. Innovative entrepreneurs are stepping in to turn raw agricultural products into high-value food items. Take, for example, cassava. It's a staple crop in many African countries. Traditionally, it was consumed locally with minimal processing, but now entrepreneurs are turning cassava into high-quality flour, snacks, and even beer. This not only creates jobs, but also adds significant value to the local economy. Another amazing story comes from Ghana, where local companies are leading the way in chocolate production. Ghana is one of the world's top cocoa producers, but for years most of the cocoa was exported raw, with little benefit to the local economy. But now, entrepreneurs are processing cocoa locally, creating premium chocolate brands that are gaining international recognition. And it's not just about the products. Tech innovations are playing a huge role as well, from mobile apps that help farmers manage their crops, to advanced processing technologies that ensure food safety and extend shelf life. Africa is becoming a hub of food tech innovation. Government policies are also supporting this transformation. Countries like Ethiopia and Nigeria are investing in infrastructure and providing incentives for agribusinesses. This is creating a more conducive environment for entrepreneurs to thrive. So, what does this mean for you, the entrepreneur? Massive opportunities. Whether you're looking to invest, collaborate, or start your own food business, Africa is the place to be. The combination of abundant natural resources, a young and dynamic workforce, and supportive policies makes it a fertile ground for innovation. In conclusion, Africa is not just feeding its own people, but is on its way to becoming a global powerhouse in food production. So, if you're an entrepreneur looking for your next big opportunity, look no further than the African food sector. Thanks for watching. And remember, every big trend started small. Catch you next time. Next time we will look into some of these amazing food products coming out of Africa.